Ladies and gentlemen, I am here not to represent beauty, but I am here tonight to represent every transgender individual whose dream is to be seen, recognized, and celebrated. If I will win tonight, I will be able to prove that beauty is not about your physical appearance, but beauty is about your authenticity, your confidence, and your courage to be yourself. If I will win one of the crowns tonight, I will use this as a platform in order to amplify trans visibility. This will also encourage people to embrace diversity and inclusivity in Laguna. So together, let us prove the world that when trans people are given equal opportunities, we do not just participate, we thrive and we make a meaningful difference. And before I leave the stage, I would like to let you know that if I will win tonight, I will not rise alone. I will lift everybody up with me. Thank you.
Laguna's 5 prettiest is looking for 5 exceptional ladies. And I, Elise Latayan Arcangel, deserves to be one of them. Because I may not be having the prettiest face, nor having the most beautiful body, or even the most intelligent one. But I know to myself that I have the prettiest intention. And that is the intention is to spread kindness that will start within me. In this world that we are living, we have a lot of differences. Magkakaiba-iba man tayo ng relihiyon, paniniwala, at kasarian. Huwag nating bigyang puwang ang kasamaan. Bagkus, kabutihan, respeto at pagmamahal ang dapat nating ibigay sa ating kapwa. And tonight, I am standing here proving that kindness is love. And when we have this,
congratulations, my
The reason why I should win Laguna's 5 Prettiest 2026, it is not because I am deserving to win the crown. Each of us are beautiful, hardworking, and purposeful. But whatever I win tonight, I'll still continue my serving to my community and pursuing my advocacy. Because a true queen doesn't need a crown to do what is right, but it is a commitment to create a possible change. Because naniniwala po ako na ang tunay na reyna hindi dapat basta maganda lang. Dapat may puso para sa corona. And if I will win tonight, I will not use the crown on the top of my head, but I will use my crown with the bottom of my heart. Maraming salamat po.
Congratulations. She's a tower queen. She's really tall. Jennifer, one. You're blessing us with plenty of stones, Jennifer. So Jennifer, 60 seconds for the free speech. You're ready? I'm pretty sure about that. So, timer starts now.
Karapat-rapat akong manalo ng 5 prettiest of Laguna, hindi lamang sa aking ganda ng aking panglabas, kundi sa aking ganda ng aking puso para sa mga golden days sa aming bayan ng San Pablo. Kaya ako nasa inyong harapan upang mai-promote ko pa ang aking advokasya na merong makarinig sa akin na ako'y matulungan upang mas mapaunlad at magkaroon ng community sa aming bayan ng San Pablo para sa mga golden days. Dahil hindi natin tiyak balang araw tayong mga parte ng LGBT ay tatandang may kasama. Ngunit kung magkakaroon tayo ng community para sa mga golden days na palibreng bahay, doon natin mararamdaman ang isang buong pamilya hanggang sa ating pagpanaw. Maraming salamat.
Words no.
If I will be given the honor to be one of the Laguna's 5 prettiest, it will not just be a personal achievement, but it is also a responsibility to represent a community that continues to inspire, create, and break barriers. I believe that I deserve this opportunity because I carry the same values that this organization stands for, which values inclusivity, empowerment, compassion, and creating opportunities for other people. That's why I deeply admire Mr. Francis J. Mart Barrett for continuously opening doors for many young people, especially to those people like me who is a part of the LGBTQIA+ community. And just like him, I believe that true beauty cannot only be measured by physical appearance, but by the lives we touch and the positive changes that we can create. So if I will win this competition, I will use my voice to inspire and to remind everyone that when we are given this kind of opportunity, let's use it
Your time is up, my dear. Let's begin. Timer starts now.
5 korona para sa 5 reyna. Bakit ako karapat-dapat para sa 5? Dahil ako ang kakatawan sa mga kagaya kong minsan nangarap at nagsumikap. Ako po ay isang CEO ng isang kumpanya kung saan tumatanggap ng mga kagaya ko na kailanman hindi tinitingnan kung ano ang kanilang kasarian o identidad, pagkus kung ano ang kanilang kakayahan at abilidad. Naniniwala po ako ngayong gabi kung ang kagandahan lamang ang pamantayan, alam kong patas ang laban. Subalit kung istorya, kwento, upang magpamulat sa iba na kailanman walang identidad ang tagumpay, naniniwala po ako at papayag ako na itaya ang aking karera. Dahil ang kagandahan ay may kalakip na responsibilidad. Ang tagumpay ay may leksyon. At higit sa lahat, ang korona ay may misyon. Magandang gabi.
Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Next.
For Abel, you have 60 seconds. Abel, your time starts now.
I believe I deserve to be one of the Laguna's 5 prettiest because beauty is more than a beautiful face. It is reflected the way how we treat others, the values we uphold, and the positive impact we create in our community. I carry myself with confidence, kindness, humility, and purpose. If given the opportunity, I will use this title not only to represent beauty, but also to inspire others, embrace their uniqueness. To me, being Laguna's 5 prettiest is a woman of substance, compassion, and integrity. And I'm ready to represent those qualities with pride.
Congratulations, Apple Gonzalez. Starts now.
Gusto ko po lahat ng maririnig niyo sa akin ay totoo at totoong galing sa puso ko. Isa po ako sa karapat-dapat makoronahan bilang Laguna's 5 prettiest dahil meron po akong puso sa mga tao at sa mga hayop. Panahon na po para ipaalam namin sa ibang lugar na dito pala sa Laguna, merong isang transgender woman na nagmamalasakit sa mga tao at sa mga hayop na hindi kayang magsalita. HIV/AIDS awareness advocates for 9 years, and stray dogs and cats feeding for 3 years. Isa na po itong pagkakataon para makipag-ugnayan sa organisasyon na ito. Para sa milyon-milyon nakakita sa aking social media, nais ko pong gawing bilyon-bilyon. Nang sa gayon, mas marami ang ma-inspire namin at mas marami ang gumaya sa merong mabuting puso. Maraming salamat po.
Mike Ruby. Get ready, 60 seconds for this speech. Timer starts now.
Why I deserve to be one of the 5 prettiest in Laguna? Because I'm a long-term advocate for elderly care. For the past 4 years, I'm doing charity work in Mary Mother of Mercy, Home for Elderly and Abandoned in San Pedro, Laguna. And my advocacy is not just for the show, it is a real. Because I turn gratitude and unconditional love from my Lola into actions by serving, listening, and restoring dignity of our senior citizens. And as an empowered queen with a high sense of reputation, in my existence, I choose to use my constructed beauty not just to be seen, but to create an impact that will last far beyond these Laguna's 5 prettiest. And if we truly want to level up in every aspect, then change, initiative, and courage must begin within me.
Congratulations, my dear.
With your free speech. You have 60 seconds. Your timer starts now.
Una sa lahat, prettiest po ang hinahanap niyo. At pretty ako. Pretty ako dahil mahal ko ang sarili ko. At ganun din po ang kaya kong ibigay sa ibang pagmamahal tulad ng pagmamahal ko sa sarili ko. I am pretty inside and out. Sinikap kong maging maganda sa panlabas ko, gayon din sa aking kalooban. Kaya nga po nagkaroon ako ng beauty business product dahil gusto ko pong ma-inspire ang mga bagong transgender woman na mas alagaan ang kanilang sarili habang tumatanda. Dahil naniniwala po ako sa aking kasabihan, edad lamang po ang tatanda, hindi po ang itsura. Marahil may iba-iba po kaming kwento, ngunit ang kwento ko,
ang isa sa karapat-dapat na manalo bilang isang Laguna 5 Prettiest. Salamat po.
60 seconds, Andy. Your timer starts now.
When people hear the word prettiest, they often think of a beautiful face. But I hope today we can see beauty a little differently. I believe beauty isn't about having a perfect life. It is about choosing to create something beautiful from the life you were given. I wasn't raised in a perfect family. My parents separated. My mom made the painful decision to work abroad so that we could survive. And my grandmother became the one who raised me. For a long time, I wondered why my story had to begin that way. But today, I'm grateful that it did. Because those moments didn't make me feel less beautiful. They made me stronger, kinder, more compassionate, and more determined to build the life my family dreamed of, but never had. And maybe that's what beauty truly is. Not the absence of pain, but the courage to turn pain into purpose. If I become one of Laguna's 5 prettiest, I don't just want people to admire the woman's
Congratulations.